Nalor ka jingra ya kanam ladu ha ka lempung elekai football ki hybrid chinrang ki bahapo khatsan snem karta ki hybrid chinrang jong Downgate Football Club na nongpo Ribhoi district ki balai panilekai football sha Dimapur Nagaland sa art ligi kusnam shimen ki layo panra shalayeng kini ki kentup ya ke best defender kabalayora dau compare makri baru best goalkeeper kabalayora dau wanchan thaba ya ka kenhun Downgate Football Club na nongpo Ribhoi district Lailam daw David Marwen kum head coach bat ka Riba Kularmani kum ka manager. Ya gani kanam ladu ka baga Downgate Football Club kala yora dai hadin bagala penrem ya ka Haiti Football Club ka badai na ketiga jela na Nagaland ka bala penlong ya ketiga lempung ilekai football ki hemred da ka bathep argol la shigol. Ka jing ilekai ha ka final kala long ka bajuat bha ka bakini ar kanhun baro ar ki tebit bha banilekai wat la ki dang red karta. Kajing job jang kanhun Downgate Football Club kalalong kajing sarong ya jela Meghalaya bat khamtam ya Ribhoi district kabala don ya hemrit nong ilekai ki batebet bat kajing don jang ki nong ilam ki don mansim ban kentiu ya kam ilekai football jong ki hemrit la ban kedo ba kani lempung ilekai football ki hemrit ki bahpo khatsan snem karta kadai kabala tip kum ka summer football tournament kabala peniat da ka Dimapur Sports Association ya kabala penilekai hamadan ilekai jong ka Dimapur Don Bosco Higher Secondary School ha Dimapur Nagaland kabala penlong ha ki lais ngilenter kabala sedang nadu ka khatsau khatsan bat khan riu terik unaitung arajar arko henrio
Passing. Passing, baik, passing. Ah, nice.
Goal.
Ya, boleh. Hold.
Wansam Kabam. Please come. All right, next on the list we have
football tournament. Bless all the players who came to take part in it. They have done marvelous thing by playing in the spirit of games and sports. And their last sign of fellowship was itself that it was not an uncontrolled competition. And winning and losing is part of life, and losers have nothing to worry. They will win the next time. And we wish you God's blessings. God protect them from all misfortunes and accidents.